Becoming financially independent stands as a paramount goal, resonating with a multitude of individuals driven by the desire for enhanced autonomy over their life's trajectory, a tangible reduction in the weight of financial stress, and the unfettered liberty to ardently chase after their deepest passions and aspirations. The journey toward attaining such a coveted state of financial self-sufficiency entails a multifaceted approach, an intricate tapestry woven with threads of strategic foresight, prudent fiscal management, and an unwavering dedication to the realization of long-term ambitions. In the subsequent exploration, we embark on an insightful expedition into the realm of 10 meticulously crafted strategies, each meticulously designed to serve as a compass guiding the expedition toward the hallowed shores of financial independence. 1. Set clear financial goals. The foundation of any successful financial journey is clarity about what you aim to achieve. Whether your objectives involve saving for a down payment on a house, retiring early, or starting a business, having specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals provide you with a roadmap to follow. 2. Live below your means. Embracing a frugal lifestyle is a key principle in achieving financial independence. By spending less than you earn, you create a surplus that can be directed towards savings and investments. This conscious decision to prioritize needs over wants helps you build a solid financial base. 3. Create a budget. Crafting a detailed budget serves as your financial compass. By categorizing your income and expenses, you gain a clear picture of where your money is going. This knowledge empowers you to make informed decisions about where you can cut back and allocate funds towards savings and investments. 4. Eliminate high-interest debt. High-interest debt can act as a significant obstacle on the path to financial independence. Focusing on paying off credit card balances and other high-interest loans swiftly reduces the interest burden and frees up more funds for wealth-building endeavors. 5. Build an emergency fund. Unexpected events such as medical emergencies or job loss can derail your financial progress. Establishing an emergency fund equivalent to 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses provides you with a safety net, ensuring that unforeseen circumstances do not force you into debt or derail your financial plans. 6. Invest wisely. Venturing into the realm of investments marks a pivotal stride towards attaining financial independence. This crucial endeavor involves allocating your surplus funds with a keen strategic eye across a diverse array of asset classes, including but not limited to stocks, bonds, real estate, and mutual funds. The principle of diversification becomes your ally in this pursuit, skillfully tempering risk while offering the potential for substantial, sustained returns over the course of time. 7. Continuous learning. The path to financial independence is not merely a trajectory of financial growth, but also an odyssey of enlightenment. Immerse yourself in the sea of knowledge, staying attuned to the ebbs and flows of personal finance, investment strategies, and the currents of economic trends. Such ongoing education is a beacon that illumines your decision-making, enabling you to navigate confidently and adapt adeptly to the ever-evolving financial landscape. 8. Side hustles and additional income streams. In the contemporary landscape of the gig economy, the prospect of side hustles and part-time endeavors emerges as a powerful wind filling the sails of your journey to financial freedom. Harness your unique skills, passions, or latent talents as tools to forge additional income streams. These tributaries of income not only complement your main earnings, but also expedite the accumulation of savings and the realization of your investment aspirations. 9. Regularly review and adjust. Much like a sailor who alters their course according to changing winds and tides, your financial course demands periodic reassessment and adjustment. In the face of shifting circumstances, make it a ritual to scrutinize your goals, recalibrate your budget, and fine-tune your investment portfolio. Such iterative adjustments ensure that your strategies harmonize harmoniously with your evolving ambitions and the prevailing economic symphony. 10. Mindset and patience. The voyage towards financial independence, akin to an expedition across uncharted waters, mandates a resilient and fortified mindset. Understand that this expedition isn't a sprint but a marathon, a journey that necessitates time and unwavering commitment. Uphold your resolve, exhibit patience in the face of setbacks, and cultivate the wisdom to acknowledge and celebrate the milestones, however small, that adorn your path. In summation, the pursuit of financial independence unfurls as a masterful tapestry, intricately woven with the threads of meticulous planning, disciplined execution, and an unquenchable thirst for knowledge. As you etch your goals in clear, resolute lines, embrace a lifestyle harmonizing with your means, and imbibe the ethos of prudent financial stewardship. You lay the very groundwork for a life characterized by the autonomy that financial freedom bestows. Remember, each step embarked upon brings you closer to the shores of this coveted independence, where your aspirations not only find their wings but also soar to heights once deemed beyond reach.